Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at the market leading stocks via our scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Wednesday, December 18th, 2014. This is going to be FOMC decision Wednesday, by the way. So that's going to be the focal point of the day. Had definitely a return of volume, maybe a little pre-dance here ahead of the expiration Friday. May have seen just a little bit of that today, but I'm sure there's going to be more to come, and definitely Monday would not be the focal point. Or Tuesday will be later than that. So we'll see what they give us for the rest of the week. But NASDAQ patch, good volume, a couple of deviations. We had a deviation here in Amazon. We have one in Alibaba and also one in Google. A couple of signals here, just two to the upside, two upside CPSs. Financials, lot of volume as you can see. Starting to break down here a little bit in some of these names. You can see that most of the names closed decently below the day's open, but we don't have a lot of signals here, but definitely the volume's up quite a bit. Looking at the energy names, this is really where the action was today, both to the upside aggressively, and then when they filled back in and when they didn't hold their higher levels. But you can see the open-close deviation is pretty good. They all closed, for the most part, decently above the day's open and on volume. So you're probably going to see some more action in these names tomorrow. Also note the upside CPSs here. Yeah, generals, decent volume, a little bit better to buy here. Not quite as universal as the energy sector, but definitely better to buy. Moving on to the housing names, no signals here. Bump up in volume. Hovnanian still in motion. Transports. The airlines were weak. We were kind of talking about this for the last couple of days, that thinking that when they do bounce the energy names, the airlines would probably get hit and be a source of funds on the other side of that, on the other side of the trade. So keep an eye on that. Commodity names a little bit better to buy and on volume. Some of the precious metals names got hit pretty hard as the dollar was in motion today, and putting a little pressure on gold. And gold was definitely weak today, and we've seen it reflected here in the stocks. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.